Forgot anniversary.
Good morning.
Good morning, my love. You look quiet today.
Yes, I am quiet.
Did something happen?
You really don't know?
No, I don't think so.
Today is a very special day.
Special day? Is it a holiday?
No, it is not a holiday.
Then what is it?
Think carefully.
I am thinking, but I'm not sure.
Today is our marriage anniversary.
Oh no, really?
Yes, really.
I can't believe I forgot.
You forgot last year too.
I'm so sorry.
Sorry is easy to say.
I know, and I feel very bad.
This day is important to me.
It is important to me too.
But you did nothing.
I planned nothing, and not is my mistake.
I waited all morning.
I understand why you were upset.
Do you really understand?
Yes, I do. I hurt your feelings.
I wanted a simple wish from you.
I should have said it first.
I felt forgotten.
You are never forgotten in my heart.
Then why do you forget the date?
I was busy with work, but that is no excuse.
Our marriage should come first.
You are right. I agree with you.
I just want to feel special.
You are very special to me.
Words are not enough today.
I will show you with my actions.
How will you do that?
Let me fix this, please.
I am listening.
I will take you out tonight.
Really?
Yes, dinner, flowers, and a gift.
You are trying now.
I should have tried earlier.
I'm still a little angry.
I understand, and I will wait.
I don't want to fight today.
Neither do I.
I love you, but I was hurt.
I love you too, very much.
Do you remember our wedding day?
Yes, I remember your smile.
I was very happy that day.
It was the best day of my life.
Then please remember this date.
I promise I will never forget again.
Promises are important.
I will set reminders on my phone.
That is a good idea.
I want to make you happy.
You already do, most of the time.
I want to do better.
I believe you.
Thank you for giving me another chance.
Marriage is about forgiveness.
And about love and care.
Yes, and about effort.
I will put more effort from now on.
That makes me feel better.
Can I hug you?
Yes, you can.
Happy anniversary, my wife.
Happy anniversary, my husband.
You mean everything to me.
Just don't forget that again.
I won't, I promise.
Let's enjoy the rest of the day.
Yes, let's celebrate together.
I like that idea.
Thank you for your patience.
Thank you for saying sorry.
I am lucky to have you.
And I am lucky too.
Tonight will be special.
I'm looking forward to it.
I will make it memorable.
Just being together is enough.
Together is my favorite place.
That is very sweet.
You deserve sweetness every day.
Now you're learning.
I'm a good student.
Then keep practicing.
With you, always.
Let's start fresh.
Yes, a new start, together.
Feeling unwell.
Are you awake, dear?
Yes, I am awake, but I feel very tired.
You don't look well today.
I know, my body feels weak.
You should stay in bed and rest.
That is why I'm lying down.
Do you have pain anywhere?
Yes, my head hurts a little.
Did you sleep well last night?
No, I couldn't sleep properly.
That explains why you feel unwell.
I think so too.
Did you eat breakfast?
No, I had no appetite.
That is not good.
I know, but I felt sick.
I will make you some soup.
That sounds nice.
Please don't worry about anything.
I worry about the housework.
I will take care of everything today.
Are you sure?
Yes, you need rest more than anything.
Thank you for helping me.
You always help me too.
I feel bad lying in bed all day.
Don't feel bad. Your health is important.
You are very kind.
I just love you.
I love you too.
Do you want some water?
Yes, please.
Warm or cold?
Warm water, please.
I will bring it right away.
Thank you.
You should close your eyes for a while.
I will try.
I will be here if you need me.
That makes me feel safe.
Should I call the doctor?
Not now. Let me rest first.
Okay, but tell me if you feel worse.
I promise.
Take deep breaths and relax.
I am doing that now.
You look a little better already.
Maybe resting is helping.
Rest is the best medicine.
I agree with you.
Try to sleep for some time.
I will try again.
Did you fall asleep?
Not yet, but I feel calmer.
That is a good sign.
The room feels quiet and comfortable.
I made it quiet for you.
I appreciate that.
Do you feel cold?
A little bit.
I will bring another blanket.
Thank you. That helps.
Is your headache better now?
Yes, it is lighter than before.
I'm glad to hear that.
Your care is helping me a lot.
Seeing you better makes me happy.
I'm lucky to have you.
We take care of each other.
That is what marriage is about.
Exactly.
I think I can sleep now.
That is great.
Please wake me if it is time to eat.
I will.
Don't forget to eat yourself.
I won't.
You worry about me too much.
I can't help it.
It makes me feel loved.
You are deeply loved.
Thank you for staying with me.
Always.
I will close my eyes now.
Sleep well, my dear.
I will try.
Take your time.
I feel peaceful now.
That makes me smile.
Everything will be okay.
Yes, it will.
Thank you for everything today.
You don't need to thank me.
Still, I want to.
Rest now.
Good night.
Good night. Get well soon.
Glasses are broken.
Oh, no. Oh, no, no, no.
What happened? Why are you shouting?
I just sat down on something hard.
On something hard? Like what?
My glasses.
Your glasses?
Yes, my glasses are broken.
How did that happen?
I left them on the sofa.
And then you sat on them?
Yes, without looking.
Oh dear. Are they very broken?
One side is bent and the glass looks cracked.
Can you see properly now?
Not really, everything looks blurry.
You should be more careful.
I know, this is my fault.
I told you many times not to leave them anywhere.
You did, and you were right.
Did the glass hurt you?
No, thankfully I'm okay.
That is good. Glasses can be replaced.
Yes, but they were expensive.
I know, but accidents happen.
I feel so silly right now.
A little silly, but also very human.
Can you please check how bad they are?
Give them to me.
Here you go.
The frame is really bent.
Can they be fixed?
Maybe at the glasses shop.
I hope so.
When was the last time you had new glasses?
About 2 years ago.
Then maybe it is time for new ones.
My wallet will not be happy.
Your eyes are more important than your wallet.
That is true.
How did you not see them on the sofa?
I was tired and not paying attention.
You should rest more.
I think I should.
Sit down carefully this time.
I will stand for now.
Do you want some help walking?
I can manage, but slowly.
You really depend on those glasses.
Yes, I do.
That is why you must take care of them.
Lesson learned, I promise.
Do you want me to make an appointment for you?
Yes, that would help a lot.
I can call the optician tomorrow.
Thank you.
For now, don't strain your eyes.
I won't read or use my phone much.
That is a good idea.
Everything looks funny without my glasses.
You look funny too, squinting like that.
Hey, don't laugh at me.
I'm sorry, but it's a little cute.
I'm glad you find it cute.
Do you remember where you bought them?
Yes, near the shopping center.
They have good service there.
That makes me feel better.
Maybe you can choose a stronger frame this time.
Yes, something more durable.
And maybe a case too.
I actually have a case.
Then why didn't you use it?
Because I am careless sometimes.
At least you admit it.
I really do.
Would you like some tea?
Yes, that would be nice.
Sit at the table, not on the sofa.
Good idea.
Carefully now.
I'm moving very slowly.
I will put your glasses somewhere safe.
Thank you for helping me.
That's what partners do.
I'm lucky to have you.
We all make mistakes.
I will be more careful next time.
I believe you.
Even without glasses, I can see you care.
That's sweet.
I guess today taught me a lesson.
Yes, always check before you sit.
And always respect your glasses.
Exactly.
Tomorrow will be better.
Yes, it will.
With new glasses soon.
And maybe better habits.
I will work on that.
Good. Now drink your tea.
Thank you, my love.
You're welcome.
Lost job.
Can we talk for a moment?
Of course, you look worried.
I am worried.
What happened at work today?
I didn't expect this, but I lost my job.
You lost your job?
Yes, they let me go this morning.
Oh no, I'm so sorry to hear that.
I feel shocked and scared.
I understand. That is very hard news.
I feel like I failed you.
No, you did not fail me.
But I am supposed to support our family.
You do support us in many ways.
Still, I feel ashamed.
Please don't feel ashamed. Losing a job can happen to anyone.
It happened so suddenly.
Did they explain why?
The company is cutting costs.
So it was not your fault.
I know, but it still hurts.
It's okay to feel hurt.
I don't know what to do next.
We will think about it together.
Are you angry with me?
No, not at all.
Really?
Really, I am worried, but I'm on your side.
That means a lot to me.
When did this happen exactly?
This morning, after a short meeting.
That must have been very stressful.
It was. I couldn't even speak.
I wish I could have been there with you.
Just talking to you helps.
Good. You don't have to carry this alone.
What about our bills?
We will look at our savings and plan carefully.
I hate thinking about money now.
I know, but we will handle it step by step.
You are very calm.
Inside, I'm worried too.
Thank you for being honest.
We are partners.
I feel like resting, but also like doing something.
Both feelings are normal.
I don't want to sit and do nothing.
You don't have to, just not today.
You think I should rest today?
Yes, today is for breathing and thinking.
That sounds reasonable.
Tomorrow, we can make a plan.
What kind of plan?
Updating your resume, searching for jobs, and networking.
That sounds serious already.
One step at a time.
What if I don't find a job soon?
Then we adjust and keep trying.
You are very strong.
I have to be. We are a team.
I'm afraid you will worry too much.
I will worry, but I trust you.
That trust gives me hope.
You have many skills and experience.
Sometimes I forget that.
That's why I'm here to remind you.
Thank you for believing in me.
Always.
Should I tell my parents?
When you feel ready, no pressure.
I don't want them to worry.
That is understandable.
What about you? Are you scared?
Yes, a little, but fear doesn't control us.
I like how you say that.
Hard times don't last forever.
I hope you're right.
I am. We faced problems before.
And we got through them.
Exactly.
I feel tired now.
Then sit down and relax.
Can we have dinner together?
Of course, I'll make something simple.
I don't feel very hungry.
That's okay. Just eat a little.
Thank you for taking care of me.
That's what love is.
I promise I will not give up.
I know you won't.
Tomorrow I will start looking for new opportunities.
I'll help you if you want.
I would like that.
We will face this together.
I feel less alone now.
You are never alone.
Even without a job, I still have you.
And that is very important.
Thank you for your love and patience.
Thank you for trusting me.
We will get through this.
Yes, we will. Together.
Got a new job.
Can you come here for a moment?
Sure, you look excited.
I am very excited.
What happened?
I have some good news.
Really? Tell me.
I found a new job.
You found a new job?
Yes, I did.
That's wonderful news.
I can't stop smiling.
When did you find out?
Just now, they called me.
I'm so happy for you.
Thank you for believing in me.
I always believed in you.
The interview went well, but I was still nervous.
That's normal. What kind of job is it?
It's a full-time position in my field.
That sounds perfect.
The salary is good too.
That's a big relief.
Yes, I feel lighter now.
You worked very hard for this.
I couldn't have done it without your support.
We did it together.
Do you remember how worried I was?
Yes, but you never gave up.
There were days I felt very low.
I know, and you were still strong.
Your words helped me a lot.
I just told you the truth.
I start work next Monday.
That's very soon.
Yes, I need to prepare.
We should celebrate tonight.
I was thinking the same thing.
Maybe a nice dinner at home.
Or we could go out.
Let's go out and enjoy it.
You deserve it as much as I do.
I'm just happy to see you smile again.
I feel proud of myself today.
You should feel proud.
This job gives me hope.
It gives us hope.
Thank you for being patient with me.
That's what partners do.
I promise to do my best.
I know you will. Tell me more about the company.
It's a growing company with good people.
That sounds like a healthy place to work.
They liked my experience.
Of course they did.
I will have new responsibilities.
That's a great chance to learn.
I feel motivated again.
Motivation changes everything.
I was afraid to fail before.
Fear is normal, but you faced it.
I did, and it worked.
See, you are stronger than you think.
I believe that now.
We should plan our budget again.
Yes, things will be easier.
Not perfect, but better.
Better is good enough.
I agree.
Thank you for staying positive.
Sometimes I was scared too.
You hit it well.
I didn't want to add pressure.
That means a lot to me.
We protect each other.
I want to be a better husband.
You already are.
This job is a new start.
A fresh beginning for us.
Let's remember this moment.
I will never forget it.
Thank you for walking this road with me.
Always.
Ready to celebrate?
Very ready.
Then let's go.
I'm proud of you.
I'm proud of us.
We did it together.
Yes, together.
Forgot anniversary.
Good morning.
Good morning, my love. You look quiet today.
Yes, I am quiet.
Did something happen?
You really don't know?
No, I don't think so.
Today is a very special day.
Special day? Is it a holiday?